Hello and welcome back to Genie. In today's video, we are going to create a photo gallery in HTML and CSS. So for that, we are going to use a library called BaguetteBox. It is a simple and lightweight JavaScript library for creating responsive Lightbox gallery. So what is a Lightbox gallery? Lightbox gallery is a UI component that allows users to view larger versions of images within a model or an overlay. So let us begin. Here I have created the HTML page and linked the Baguette box, and also I have created two other files, a style.css, a CSS file, and a JavaScript file named as script. Now let us create a division, and in that let us add a reference. So the division is of class called gallery container, and inside that I'm creating another division of class gallery. Now I'm adding my photos as my link and image there. Also, when we click on the image, there should be a description which should come. So for that, I'm adding the property data caption. So here I am adding 3 photos. We can even add more. So yeah, I have added 3 photos and 3 links and 3 images. Now let us just save this and view our index.html. So yes, my 3 photos are displayed in my index page in my browser. Now let us add the CSS for this. Open the style.css, and first I am adding my body tag here. It has got a margin of 0, padding 0. Background color I am giving as white. Now for my gallery container class. So I am giving that a maximum width of 800 pixels, margin of 20 pixels, and for my gallery class, so I am making that display as flex, justify content space between the flex wrap as wrap, and giving a margin of 10 pixels. So that this will be the between the each photos of my gallery container. Now when we over on that, now on the link, so I am giving this a flex and a margin of 10 pixels, a padding, a position relative, and overflow as hidden. Cursor I am giving as pointer, and giving it a small transition of 2 seconds. Now for the images in my gallery class. So for each image in my gallery has got the width I am giving as 100%. There is a height, it will adjust automatically, and border radius 8 pixels. Now when we over on that, it will scale at a height, it should expand, right? So I'm giving that as a scale of 1.05. So it will be, there will be little expansion. Now this we are going to add in our JavaScript. So there is a BaguetteBox button. and border color is white. Font size is 20 pixels. Padding I am giving as 10 pixels. Cursor again pointer. And giving it a transition of 2 seconds. Now when we over on that, what should happen is like the background color will be black. So like this, when you click on, when you just over on that, it should increase a little bit. This is the animation which we are giving here. Now let us go to our script.js page to add some functionality to our code. So first, let us initialize our BaguetteBox. For that, I am adding the BaguetteBox run method here. So it is called to initialize the lightbox for the elements of the class gallery. The options passed to run include enabling captions and automatic display of navigation buttons. Now I am adding a slide index of 0 and adding a slide interval variable here. So we are calling the function start slideshow. Then I'm creating another function called show slides. So this one we are adding a constant where we will query selector all of the Baguette gallery. And when we click on the slide of slide index, the slide index should be increased by 1. So like how you show a slides in the PowerPoint presentation, in the same way it should be showing here. Now to start the slideshow on page load, I am adding a document.add event listener and DOM content loaded. So only once the page load, the start slideshow method should be called. Then to stop the slideshow when Lightbox is opened. So for that we will add another add event listener method. So before show, the slideshow interval should be cleared. Now to resume the slideshow when Lightbox is closed, what we have to do is we will add document.add event listener and BaguetteBox after slideshow. After show, what should happen is like after once the show is done, the start slideshow should be enabled again. So this is what we have in our JavaScript. So now let us save these files and just run and see. So yeah, our slideshow is enabled. So the left and right arrow buttons are working properly. So these are the BaguetteBox buttons. And if Lightbox is enabled, that slideshow will be stopped. Otherwise, that slideshow will be working fine. Enjoyed watching this video, please do like, share and comment on this video. If you're new